Yabona bafethu, yabona umalema kahle kahle bafethu, unokuthi umalema is one of the people that we can trust in this country ukuthi abe president. Umalema is someone ukuthi mabekhipha ezakhe indaba, or if there is someone who's doing greater than him in a way of revealing truth in South Africa, things that are happening and the things that are linking him, uyakwata inezinto ezifaka i-political party yakhe, uyakwata, but he's able to talk nonsense about amanye ama-political parties. Umalema, when EFF is mentioned or anything, he's starting to try to make the country ukuthi ibone lo muntu ngaleliso yena abona ngayo, because of he want to fool us. Malema manje wenza ama-video ngomkhwanazi. And this thing umkhwanazi ayenza is not about personal to who and so on. He is revealing everything that happened, that we as a country are left with questions. Good, kwenzakalani ngabo DJ Sambudi, kwenzakalani ngabo AKA, kwenzakalani ngama drugs in South Africa. Mkhwanazi is trying to fight against that. That's why Mkhwanazi wash good, I will never be part of any political party in South Africa. I would never wear any political party's t-shirt as same as any club in South Africa, because of he knows Guti how are those things created. Uyazi umkhwanazi ukuthi kwenzakalani kulama political party, izandla ama political party anazo through lama drugs athengiswa eSouth Africa. So umalema icathulo zakhe seziyashisa because of there are things that might link him as well to whatever that is happening in South Africa, because some of the people that are being arrested or are being questioned in Madlanga commission uyabazi naye, uke waba nobudlelwane nabo labantu labo, uyazi. So there is no other way ukuthi umalema ezinye izinto ezenziwa yilabantu bekangazazi. He know very well, because umalema used to call these people ngama criminals before umkhwanazi can reveal ukuthi labantu ama criminal aze nama fact. Yena umkhwanazi, yena umalema bekakwazi ukuthi uRamaphosa neANC they are criminals, angasiniki iclarity ukuthi why athi labantu laba ama criminal. Namhlanje or yena masekafuna ukuthi avotelwe abantu bakhe baka EFF, uyabuya izokhuluma umkhwanazi gabi, ufuna ukuthi manje thina senzeni sijikele umkhwanazi ngoba naye siyamthanda somehow. Hayi Lemas, uhambe wrong, washo uMabri, uhambe wrong baba. Udlozi ubhalile washo udlozi wathi hayi umalema is going too far manje. This thing is not about personal. It's not personal. Umkhwanazi lento ayenzayo, he's trying to help the whole country. He's trying to make sure ukuthi the whole country find truth, what is happening behind their backs. Why kune criminality engaka, why celebrities are dying, why kuso. Understand? Yena uyenza nge-EFF yakhe, mara yakwazi yena ukutshela upresident we-country ovotelwe yi-country abanye abantu la e-country ukuthi abe yi-president uRamaphosa ambize nge-criminal. Mase kuzama ukukhishwa izinto ukuthi why Ramaphosa ne-ANC yakhe kuthiwa igcwele ama-criminal, yena leli lakhe iside leli qembu kumele libe right. Hayi malema ungazosidakelwa mfana. Yabona ukuthanda siyakuthanda thina abanye, siyakuthanda Lemas, mara when you try to compare yourself with umkhwanazi, hayi wambe wrong babas, wambe wrong. We are not gonna cruise nice on that one with you. Kwezinye we can cruise nice, but kwekamkhwanazi hayi khohlwa Grootman.
Webafethu ake nisho yini kanti ekhulunywa umkhwanazi le enza uJulius ahlanye kangaka manje? Kanti umkhwanazi utheni ngoJulius? Mhlambe yithi singazange sizwe. ngoba the name came up lapha kwiMadlanga Commission angithi elika Julius ukuthi he's the friend with ubaba uSibiya. Kwakukhona ubani uzi lo was interested into mine, and then wase this guy uShibiri hook up with or what you can speak to, I think it's something like that, speak to Umalema because Umalema he's friends with Usibiya, something along those lines. And then kwi ad hoc Umkhwanazi said Mr. Malema even tried ukuthi kube khona peace between him and Mr. Sibiya. Those are the words of Umkhwanazi speaking about Umalema. Angi-understand le engengaka manje kuMalema ukuthi qhamukaphi. I really do not understand. But indlela enza ngayo ngikhumbuza istatement esasho Umkhwanazi ethi was it Umkhwanazi ethi ke shaya inja kuze kuphume umnikazi wayo. Because right now he's furious. Umalema, he is like all out to a point that I'm like ngathi kwenza ngamabomu futhi. Kukhona abantu abafuna mhlambe bathinke ukuthi he's against Umkhwanazi in a way. Angicabangi nina kanjalo. Because ngibona ukuthi there's no way he can just change like that. And Umkhwanazi akamenzanga lutho. Nikhumbule phela ukuthi this is politics at the end of the day. It's a mind game, some sort of a thing. Yeah. Ezinye izinto nje bangakwazi ukuzigudlula ngokuthi athi nje angimfuna Umkhwanazi ame lapha publicly. Awazi ukuthi kukhulunyweni njengoba bekhona bonke no Zuma. Awazi, you just don't know.
Angisazi ukuthi uMalema wathini emva kwe-media briefing. Kodwa ngiyakhumbula ukuthi uMalema wamgxeka uMkhwanazi. Angisazi wathi. Kodwa sekuyacaca ukuthi sikhona isazela esasikhona esasenza ukuthi agxeke uMkhwanazi. Kanti futhi uMalema before agxeke uMkhwanazi wake wathi hey uMkhwanazi is a good police. Emncoma ngokuthi uyiphoyisa la ngempela ngisho ipoacher yakhe. What if wayezama ukuthambisa uMkhwanazi ezama indlela yokungena kuMkhwanazi ngoba kwangazi ukuthi akungeneki uMkhwanazi icamp yakhe yabasathe iyazama ukusoft uMkhwanazi ayiqinile ikhanda kule ndoda ayisoftheki.
Ngozi I guess bonke baba Ngozi former EFF person or former EFF member. I guess bonke Ngozi for speaking the truth about the mission yaga Ntate Mkhwanazi. Ngozi former ice boy, water boy of EFF is saying the following: for all who reduce the mission of Nkanka Mkhwanazi, the general, just to personality fights and factional battles within the SAPS. All who do that, right, rather than seeing that Mkhwanazi is fighting the embedded criminality and embedded criminal networks and mafia networks that are in cahoots with top politicians and top generals within the SAPS, amongst other players. All those who don't see that Mkhwanazi is fighting for the people and is fighting for the right thing, all those are the enemy of the people. And I agree, all those who are against the mission of Mkhwanazi are the enemy of the people. and ekumelana lenglosi ntwe malema yentseng mane ko podium nya hae ntwa yentseng ba na magaditse ke a tseba ro lambastana. I know that, but ntwa yentseng ai magaditse bua nnete magaditse dinto tsa di buileng because hankenke libitso la malema le a chisa ka Matlanga commission, not in ad hoc committee. As a matter of fact, between Fadila Dams and Malema, Nkanka Mkhwanazi spoke lengthily about Fadila Dams rather than Malema. When you say we are not water boys, we are not boys of Nkanka, we are not afraid of the police. Hey, if you're a criminal, you should be afraid of the police or involving criminality. You should be afraid of the police if that's a thing. When we were in the struggle, hey, woman. Once again, Ogenya struggle Moses again. That's not what struggle on Ajual in that. Kinakaru, you can't be talking when we were in the struggle. That's not what struggle, no. You can't compare the police during the time of struggle and the police now. No, those are two different timelines and time frames. So, in our history. So those who need. But everyone now puts Mkhwanazi is the enemy of the people because Mkhwanazi, and then Mkhwanazi must win this fight with our support behind him. Because Kiana fella ailinga ema alinuti. He stood alone. And as I said in my previous videos, almost broke protocol to expose some of the things. Because even Tottenham to expose some of the things, he's not exposing everything. Because even Tottenham at the within let us see if these things needed to behind the scenes. Yes, that's what I want to say. Probably systematically they would have dealt with him. In a sense, out of so the politicians are not happy. Those that are in cahoots with Abu General Khan and involved with shenanigans and everybody shaking. And then one more thing, Malema Onalisi in these cities. He goes on a platform where he knows that the general is not going to be able to respond to him. And then how do you then as well go outside of the ad hoc committee and attack a man outside of the ad hoc committee, whereas these things were raised within the ad hoc committee? They should be responded to within the ad hoc committee, not outside. This was Mkhwanazi did not say the things that he said on a political on some podcast, let's say that, like Kenikunen no I'm season that them season now phone la mona na kwana one we are farming kwa mona na we are farming and then apparently most of your senior politicians, you guys have been there. One that them Caesar delayed. Mswazi, sorry, same season that them Swazi delayed. All of you have been there. And that them Swazi. General Mkhwanazi asuka ngaya mo, and he said no. General Mkhwanazi said nangasi uzbiya before even the explosion, before he even knew anything. Now I'm not gonna go to Zbia. Kilo celebrate a promotion hijwa. General Mkhwanazi is all about work and what needs to be done and service for the country. He's saying the cartel sets alone, the politicians and what. So what Mkhwanazi said, he didn't say it on a podcast, he didn't say it on a press conference somewhere. He said it within the ad hoc committee where now Bakalomo Lambasta kanke. Why she is on that? But I'm still asking today, Wednesday Mkhwanazi.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. More people are saying hands off Mkhwanazi bajela Julius Malema after khulume Mkhwanazi gabi ku speech sakhe lesibe viral lapha enkundleni yokuxhumana. And people are saying ukuthi ukwendeni Mkhwanazi utheni ngawe Mkhwanazi, why attack Mkhwanazi? People are saying ukuthi uMalema will never be a president of South Africa ndlela ekutha ngakhona ufuna abantu bahlezi basesayidini lakhe
waqala njena wangabi sesayidini lakhe seyinkinga. So people are just saying ukuthi hayibo awuphume njena kumkhwanazi. People are saying ukuthi we stand with umkhwanazi. Do comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I am signing out. Goodbye.